Well, the rest of the world boils. Here in Saskatchewan, it's been raining a lot and pretty cold. We made 26 mating nukes to get queens mated, and the weather has not been that great for doing that, since it's been down to 10 degrees Celsius at night, and just like 17 or sometimes a little lower during the day, and a lot of rain. I'm not complaining about the weather that much because I know British Columbia has had an enormous amount of wildfires. So it's definitely rain, cold weather is better than that for sure, but not for breeding queens. So I'll go take a look at the nuke yard with the queen mating nukes and see how many look like they've been mated. Hopefully started laying a little bit maybe. But of course you can't tell until a year or so how well they've been mated. Like if the drones weren't out because it was cold and raining somewhat, they probably didn't get well mated. But we'll know in a year or so for sure. And some of them probably didn't come back from mating either. Pretty likely it was thunderstorms and rain, but we shall see. Hives that have a good amount of bees around the entrance and nukes that have a good amount of bees, I would assume. That one's been mated. There's drones on the outside there. I don't know if she just got mated this morning or what. Same with this one. I assume she just came back. I'm pretty excited. I'll be checking that one today. So a few of these queens just might have gone on their mating flight this morning. Like that one. Mating nukes. They're pretty excited. Chewing down a queen cell. They're covering her up. She's right there. These guys also have a chewed out queen. cell. They are acting like they're queenless. They're very animated. And very noisy. There is a queen there though. She just hasn't started laying yet. That's what a queenless hive sounds like, but they're lying. They have a queen in there.